Kesana tatapang lukaku, kering kang dapatku, kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka o'y tamo.
Pilana pinabingidan ako, mimiso nung malyari mo pinakita na ka, please sunig na mamalyari, adwa ka mong may sabi, ang kaluguran na ka bilang beses ko lang sinabi, ikwayo ng may kawani, ikwayo may kalas, ikwayo na rin na sila, ang puso mo ay alas, sinapak niya mong balas, ang puso kong may pik, hindi na nasuka, kadyo panayati, yung balo mo sana, huwag nagawang ko ini, ay nisabyan ko na, kaluguran na ka kasi, nung may pulumawot, lalo kung manasakit, basta ikasaya ka, anak ka manasakit, ngayon ang buri mo, apanagdaman ko, kaya kuwari manamdaman ko, tamaliit ko, pataminat ko, ang mga palwa ko, uling alana kong luwanan o papawal ko.
Eto sana tatapang lukaku, kering kang dapatku, kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka o'y tamo.
Huwag kang magtaka kung ito'y nakakaka, papigilin niya dahil mahal kita, kaluguran na ka ay yung malasakit ko, palo mo para sa'kin napakasakit mo, mas makakabuti na ako'y umiwas dahil sa ayoko masaktan, ayokong mabalisa, mas mabuting mag-isa kahit maparalisa, di mapakalisa, sitwasyon ko na sa arkabyadong kalagayan, gusto ko laging tagayan, bakit di mo ko damayan, halika ako'y damayan, hanggang sa'ko'y malasing at tuluyang mangraneng, pag natulog ako neng, sana di na magising, ayoko na ganto, ayoko na ganyan, ayoko nang makita, baka lalong masaktan, ayokong umiyak, ubus na aluwa ko, kaya paalam na mahal ako na alalayo.
Eto sana tatapang lukaku, kering kang dapatku, kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka o'y tamo.
The feeling within this tune, you could be feeling the feeling too. You could be so in L-O-V-E-D-T, she has a boy. This girl has got this kid's up, but this kid has not got hers. Somebody else already took it just because he had came first. But I'm not just gonna stay here and do nothing I do about it. I don't shout shit, I write lyrics, load the studio or I come out there. She's saying he loves her so much, but mine is times 1,000. Rhymes I could write a tune and sing to her up on a mountain. I had a vision of me and her married, now I can't get over her. I don't know why it won't leave my mind, this supernatural girl. In fact, you know what, yo, I think she's an angel. I really want us to be together, but I don't think I'm able to. Anything is possible, I like her more than myself. I like her and it's distracting me and also my health. I can't sleep well, cause I'm always thinking of her. I can't sit down or relax, cause I'm waiting for my turn.
Eto sana tatapang lukaku, kering kang dapatku, kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka o'y tamo.
Paalam ang lumalabas sa aking labi, sa lahat ng nangyari sa akin mo na isisi. Mahal kita ngunit kailangan lang, pagkat di na kayanan ng mga
No ballistas, chill with the man.